Assalamualaikum. So today I will talk about the introduction of our mini project. Our group have given the task to develop final product quality inspection. So the product that chosen by our group is stool chair. This stool chair is known as Smart Tool. Why our group choose stool chair as our product in this mini project? So, the purpose of stool chair are a piece of furniture that consists of a single seat for one person and a piece of one or multiple legs. Basically, stools were differentiated from chairs by their leg of a back, but modern variation and definition of stool may now include design with arms and back. The simplicity of stool concept has made it useful for a variety of functions that include seating for children, flexible outdoor seating, and seating for restaurant and bar counter. The stool chair allows you to sit in a more natural sitting position, which is fine in a natural curve, as opposed to a traditional chair sitting position that encourages a straight back. The leg and particular thigh will slope downward when sitting on a stool. This encourages your pelvis and lower back into a more natural position. So, you will begin to do active sitting on a stool as opposed to slouching, which messes up back and core muscle.
Manufacturing process flow of product. The first step is material preparation, which is selection. Hardwood is chosen because they have higher quality, such as able to withstand heavy use on daily basis. Second, the wood is cutting into the required size. The wood is then moved on for sawing, molding, and cutting. The separate part is attached together and put in front of high-speed rotation knife that is cut into the proper size. The third step is, after the wood is cut, it will be checked either the size to ensure there is no wrong size cutting. The fourth step is seasoning. Some chemical will be put in to remove the bound of moisture to prevent damage. The next process is the making of the joint and connecting part. After that, the first inspection will be done to ensure the joint and connected part can fit nicely by repairing and trimming. A coloring and protective coating will be applied to wood to prevent the wood from being attacked by termites and also for its appearance. Last but not least is the assembly process by connecting all parts and joints. A final inspection will be done to ensure the condition of the stool.
Now, I will present about quality inspection sheet. Quality inspection sheet or checklist serve two main purposes. First, outline quality standard and product requirement the supplier is expected to meet, which means there are certain degree of quality need to meet so all products have good quality and qualify to be sell or release. And if a defect is detected, it will not be sell or release. Next, provide objective criteria for inspecting the product to ensure it meets customer expectation. Item in the final inspections quality sheet for smart tool that need to be checked. First is visual inspection, where we make sure the stool body and leg don't have any defects such dents or scratch. Then the color is the same as the description and the stool have a good stability or not. Then we move to dimensional check, where the height, width, length and weight has to meet the standard ISO given. Then material test, where we check the strength of material if it can meet the performance expected. First is the screw load we test the load it can accommodate. Then we also do impact test, where we test the ability to predict its behavior under actual condition. Lastly, we also check the documentation, where sheet instruction, test certificate, and inspection certificate. And there are also examples that shown.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will talk about justification of quality characteristic. There are several things that need to be paid attention when we talk about justification of quality characteristic. Among them is performance. The tool must be able to be ranked objectively on individual aspect of performance. After that, features. Upgrade the service and appeal of the tool by add-on characteristic. Next, reliability. The tool should be able to operate within the expected operational time. After that, performance. The tool designs and operating characteristics meet established standards. Other than that, durability. The total of tool usage before it started to deteriorate and cannot operate normally. Then, serviceability. The tool should have service warranty as consumers is to purchase. And then, aesthetics. The tool looks and feel reflect company identity and personal judgment. And finally, perceived quality. The tool complete attribute information have to be shown to the customer to build trust in our product.
As conclusion in this mini project, our group has decided to choose Stool Chair as our product that known as Smart Tool. I certain that this tool chair will be the best tool to be used by everyone in general. After considering all the physical aspects, include the material of product, dimension of product, structure and design of product, I ensure that the product will be the most comfortable and easy to use for people and customers. This product also ergonomic, which make customer and people feel safe while using it because customer always give an attention for safety.